The flicker is physical. Worth investigating. Let's go.
He studies the brief glint against the motion of the storm trace and the relay flicker.
Yeah.
The old field did not just reflect light.
The westbound corridor aligns perfectly. The ruins don't just wake with charge. They can sharpen our path home. The window is open, Lucky. Let's move.
Okay. Coupler secured and green. Hab 1 is on the line. I'm ready for the airlock.
I'll be back, Lucky. You wait here.
The anomaly pulses against the wreckage. It's not random. It's a collector array. The geometry suggests a charge harvesting network centered on the low tower.
Confirming orientation. Follow the lines.
The array failed from neglect, not total destruction. A repairable core is worth testing. Analyzing system.
Right.
Checking failure point.
Yeah.
Detached conductor identified. Testing circuit.
The field can catch power but cannot retain it.
Copy that. Proceed to the loss point.
The break sits upstream of the storage path. A reconnection here could wake the entire intake side. Now for the spare cable.
Line 1 connected. Receiving power flow. Confirm mechanical stability. Clamp set. 1 down. Moving to the second connection. Repeat procedure. The array can still gain capture area if enough vanes are freed. Start with the easiest one.
Second vein free. Settling. Confirmed. Capture path online. Moving to the last.
Hab 1, this is Kaidens. Confirming electrical potential. Get ready to connect.
Port geometry matches. Proceeding with physical link. Hab 1 should be able to ride this connection.
The path is direct. It will strike the central array. I have to go now.
Still nothing. No delayed response.
Failure.
Switching to backup from storage housing. Intake's holding, but the storage bank is bleeding charge. There's a leak right here. The storm can power the array, but the array will dump it into the soil. Follow the leak into the harshest wind side. The storm's here. I'm clearing the cut point now. Visibility's dropping fast at the tower base. Setting the auxiliary receiver. Aligning with the airflow, not the core. We have a connection. Bracing for impact. The array is receiving charge exactly where it was designed to. The leak must be cut immediately. Cable severed, confirming disconnect. It's off the grid! Race the surge. Move.
The station answers.
I've got a sequence here. It's not random. There's a signal. Understood. Follow the data stream. Analyzing the pattern. Comparing vectors. It's not storing, it's relaying. Adjusting the sideband now. Synchronized. The core's almost passed. Checking the junction. Power still maxing. Initiating seal on exposed conduit.
Okay. Plate's holding. Confirmed. Have one link stable. Status check.
Tower tone steadying. Relay fin regulating output. System unlocked. Analyzing lower relay ring. Notched rotation path identified. Activating segment. Turning eastward.
Almost there. The pulse is tightening. Just a little further. Warning, pressure crack. The pulse from Hab 1 is a dead flicker.
Check the repeater array on the fin.
Is the cycle stable?
The signal extends deeper into the field. Toward the other device. The connection is valid. Comm path restored.
Confirmed. Data flowing. Coupler seated. Signal established. Verification confirmed. Beam is live.
The blinks are stabilizing. Comparing them to the previous pulse confirms it. It's acting like a proper repeater now. Assessing its storm resistance. The storm's core is sliding past the array.
The power window is closing.
Adjusting overload now. We're losing the storm. Intake vanes overdriving under the storm edge. Comparing violent flutter to the steadier pair. Collector is pulling unstable charge. Trimming intake. Intake vane closed. Relay blink confirms smoother response. System steadied. Testing current capacity now. The trench glow is holding steady. We have a charge. Now what does this archive teach? Repeated storm passages.
The station was built to learn the rhythm. I'll refine the repeater.
Perimeter check initiating. Checking dark zones. Most of station is back. One section remains dark. Initiating hunt. Moving now.
Analyzing the outer perimeter. Looks like a dark pocket near that node. Tracing the network. There it is, a feeder fault.
Main trunk confirmed. Initiating repair.
Cable's cold. Clearing it now.
Second ring is awake, comparing pace with the tower and eastbound.
Yeah.
They're synced. The station is coherent. Checking comms.
The signal continues. It leads past the main field toward that mound. Looks like another relay. I'll follow the trench outward. The glow ends here. It must be the repeater, folded into the dust. Yes. Expose the joint. The pulse is solid, finally. The old station is feeding us a cleaner route to Earth. I'll let the storm move on and test the endurance.
Arcs thinning. Tower hums steady. Eastbound blinks smooth. Securing core now.
Secure now. Listen. Tone is good. Looks ready for retrieval. Site clear.
Status check. Network confirms continuous. Route is valid. Setting marker now.
All right, I'm back. Closing the seal now.
The EVA ends. Mission unresolved. Company is here.
All right, steady. This is it.
Yes.
Seated, locking, good. Okay, we're online. Engaging Hab 1, signals unstable. Status green, Hab 1 online.
The carrier lights are locking into rhythm.
It's holding.
It's holding. We have a path. Analyze the return signal. Collector rhythm looks odd.
No, it's synchronized with Hab 1.
This whole station was intentional. It was designed to live off the storm.
The day has become a memory, a method, and a new promise of contact. Rest easy, Lucky.